Quranic verses can have multiple meanings. Sayyidina Ali karramallahu wajhul kareem says, إن القرآن حمال الأوجه. التنصيص لا يدل على التخصيص. القرآن ذو وجوه وحجة بجميع وجوهه.
In light of the second law of thermodynamics and the expansion of the universe and the Big Bang cosmology, today most of the atheists believe that the universe has a beginning. We as Muslims, we believe that whatever came into existence needs a creator. But Allah did not come into existence from non-existence. Allah has always existed. Therefore Allah Jalla wa Ala does not need a creator. Allah doesn't have a creator. So we do not say likulli mawjudin khaliq. We say likulli makhluqin khaliq. Everything that came into existence needs a creator. Allah Jalla wa Ala did not come into existence. Allah is uncreated. So if someone says, if everything needs a creator, then who created God? We say God is uncreated. If God is uncreated, then you're saying who created the uncreated? Who designed the undesigned? Who initiated the one who was never initiated?
حبيبا لله صلى الله وزاد ثناء عليك يا رسول الله يا من بهداه أسرار.
If someone today says the Prophet ﷺ was born 1400 years ago, he's a man like us, we only believe in the physical form of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We only believe in the bashariyah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We do not believe that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam existed before his physical manifestation in this dunya. We do not believe in the concept of the spiritual existence of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Such a person is not only insulting Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but he is also saying that Allah is telling a lie.
Through rational proofs, we believe in the existence of Allah Jalla wa Ala, but the complete Tawheed, the reality of Tawheed can only be understood by believing in Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So through the mediation of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we believe in Allah Jalla wa Ala's sifat, Allah Jalla wa Ala's attributes. A true Sufi will never become murtad. Why? Because he has that experiential knowledge of Allah Jalla wa Ala in dunya. Theirs is all based on analytical knowledge, discursive knowledge. The Sufi's knowledge about Allah Jalla wa Ala is experiential knowledge. He experiences the gnosis of Allah Jalla wa Ala.
इश्क सुनना चाहते हैं वो शायरी का भी मजा लें, जो इल्म सुनना चाहते हैं वो इल्म का मजा लें, जो रूहानियत सुनना चाहते हैं रूहानियत का मजा लें, जो फन्ने खिताबत के जौहर देखना चाहते हैं वो खिताबत को भी सुन लें।
मैं कहता हूँ साइंसदानों, काश के तुम औलिया अल्लाह की बारगाह में हाजिर होते। इंसान के दिल के खुलियों की जिन वारदातों को तुमने आज समझा है, हार्ट सेल्स की जो थ्योरी तुमने आज वजह की है, रब्बे काबा की कसम, आज से सैकड़ों साल पहले उसी थ्योरी के प्रैक्टिकल्स दाता की नगरी लाहौर में मेरा ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती अपना दिल दाता के दिल से मिला के अदा कर चुका है।
أسرار حياة اشفع لنا يا حبيبا لله صلى الله وزاد ثناء عليك يا رسول الله يا من بهداه أسرار حياة اشفع لنا.